Today under angles lesson we are going to calculate the value of unknown angles. Here's A, B, C, D, F, G. These are unknown angles. We are going to calculate the value of unknown angles. Before that we must know this. Here angle A equals to angle B, because vertically opposite angles are equal. Vertically opposite angles are equal. These are the points we must know before to calculate the value of these unknown angles. Angle A equal to angle B. Vertically opposite angles are equal. This one point. And the other point is here, X, Y, Z. Angles on a straight line at 280. Angles on a straight line. That means X plus Y plus Z equals to 180. That's a straight line. These three angles are on a straight line. Then X plus Y plus Z equals to 180. This is the another point. Angles at the point added 360. At the point. This is the point. Added 360. What are the angles here? D plus C plus E equals to 360. D plus E plus C equals to 360. These are the 3 points we must know to calculate unknown angles. Now we'll see here. What do you know about this? According to this point, this angle is 53 degrees. Then what is the value of this unknown angle A? Yes, A. That is equals to 53 degrees. Opposite angles are equal. Now here, in this figure, unknown angle is B. We are going to calculate the value of B, angle B. Now we know straight angles. In a straight angle, total equals to 180. Then we already know this angle is 125. Then what are we going to do? We have to subtract 125 from 180. Then what's the value of this? We have to subtract. Yes. 5. Here 5. What's the value of angle B? That is 55 degrees. This is the point of this. Straight angle added to straight angle, that's 180. We already know the angle of this obtuse angle, that is 125 degrees. Then we have to reduce 125 from 180. The value gives as 55 degrees of angle B. Now we are going to find angle C. What's the value of angle C? We are going to calculate this unknown angle, angle C. What are we going to do? This is the point. One point, added all the angles, 360. 360 degrees. We have to subtract 265, then gives the value of C angle. We have to subtract. We borrow 1, 5, then 5 is here. 15 take away 6, that is 9, 95 degrees here. Let us see. Angle C. It gives 95 degrees here. We have to subtract 265 from 360. Then this unknown angle C we found as 95 degrees. Now here this figure, when we see this, it is, we know a right angle that is 90 degrees. Here they have given the value is 140 degrees. 140 degrees plus 90 degrees total gives 230 degrees. These two. Then we can find the value of f. We can subtract 230 from 360. Then we can find the value of angle F. That is 130 degrees. Letter F that represent angle F, that is 130 degrees. We'll move to this figure. Here, this is also a right angle and this is already must be a right angle. Then what are we going to do? This acute angle, that is 72 degrees. We have to deduct 72 from 90 degrees. Then the value comes as 18 degrees. Angle G gives the value of 18 degrees. Very easy. These are the 3 points you have to keep it in mind. Here, a straight angle gives the total is 180. Then what are the angles here? 54 here and mention 67 here. We have to find angle D. Now we have to add these two angles together. That is 125 degrees. We have to deduct 121 degrees from 180. Then letter D, value of letter D, we calculated as 59 degrees. Very easy. That's very easy to calculate the value of angles if you know these 3 points.